Hey everybody, welcome back to my Astromech. Now today's video is going to be pretty quick because I just wanted to take a minute to show off something that I'm particularly pleased with, specifically this coin return that I just finished up. I've been experimenting with combining 3D printing and aluminum for a little while now. You're going to see that later on with my pocket vents and side vents on the body. And I decided to try the same thing with the coin return. As usual, I started out in Fusion 360 and I modeled the coin return, adding in tolerances for the thickness of the 025 aluminum I was going to be using, so that the final piece would still be on spec. And once I had the printed part in hand, I made a paper template for the aluminum pieces that I was going to face it with. These were epoxied directly onto the printed part. Generally speaking, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's not perfect, but I do like the look. The other thing that I completed today was the coin slots. And I chose to model these individually instead of in a long strip, mainly because the holes in the body are all hand cut, and I just wanted to allow for any variation in the sizing there. So that's it for today. I did say that this was going to be a pretty quick video. Like I said earlier, I am doing some work on the dome, and it's been progressing along quite nicely, and you should see some updates on that in the next little bit. So that's it. Until next time, just remember that there is no try.